Hello everyone, what's up? Today we are going to learn how to create a simple CRUD operation by using Node.js and MySQL database. Previously we have seen how to create a CRUD operation by using Node.js and MongoDB. This time we are going to use MySQL, and here are some of my playlists you can follow to learn more about JavaScript, Node.js and PHP. We have vanilla JavaScript playlist, we have Node.js basic to advanced. Here you can find all the project I have made using Node.js, and here we have PHP beginner to pro with project. And if you are more interested about front-end development, that's totally fine. We also have tutorial for reactjs beginner to pro with project. So at the same time you are creating a project and learning the technology behind it. Okay, and we also have some tutorials on HTML, CSS and front-end frameworks like semantic UI, bootstrap and many more. Enough talking, let's actually get into the tutorial. At first, prerequisite for this tutorial, I want you to know basics of JavaScript and basics of HTML, CSS. We'll need some kind of text editor, for example Visual Studio Code or Atom. For this tutorial I am going with Atom, but you can do the same with Visual Studio Code. Just download it. And for running MySQL you need some kind of server. I am going to use Xampp. This is very simple for Linux user. I am using Linux. I will download it. If you are using Windows, then you just need to click this. Installing Xampp on Windows is very simple, but for Linux it's little bit difficult. Don't worry, I'll show you how to install Xampp on Linux. I have downloaded both Atom and Xampp. So open it, show in folder. For installing Xampp on Linux, you have to open your terminal, but in Windows installation is very straightforward. You just need to click next few times, but for Linux you just need to run few commands, ls la to permit our installer. Execute permission, we just need to write chmod GOA is equal. Actually we can do like this, 7557 mean read, write and execute. 5 means read and write Xampp and press tab. Once again run ls la. You see now this is executable. Now you need to run sudo /xampp. Enter your password of your user. Actually I already have installed Xampp, so I don't need to install once again. You just need to click next few times. Okay, abort. I am aborting the installation. Once you have installed Xampp, you just need to navigate to the folder cd opt, and inside opt we have a folder lamp. Once again see what inside the lamp folder. We have a manager Linux run. We just need to copy this, copy sudo and paste it. Ctrl Shift V for pasting anything inside terminal. Here the Linux control panel, Xampp control panel has been open. So on Windows, once you have installed Xampp successfully, you just need to search for control panel, Xampp control panel. You just need to search Xampp control panel. You can find this Xampp control panel. Now the MySQL database is running. We can close our control panel. and we can also close our terminal. Now next go to programs. Inside program we have downloaded Atom. On Windows, Atom installation is very simple, you just need to click next few times, but in Linux it is also very simple because it is a dev file. Everything installation file is been precised. You just need to install package. You have to put your password. For Node.js download, click on downloads. For Linux user, you can go with install Node.js by package manager. If you are on Ubuntu or Ubuntu based Linux distribution, you just need to go to Linux Node.js binary distribution. From here you can find all the command to install Node.js on Linux. Here is the commands. Okay, if you want Node.js version 16, you need to follow these commands. If you are using Node.js 15, you have to follow these commands. Okay, but for Windows user, installation is very straightforward as our other software. You just need to click on home. You see, you can go with LTS or current, it doesn't matter, actually both are same. LTS, Node.js LTS, search for this one. We need to use this since we are not using as root, so we need to copy this, Ctrl Shift V for pasting on the terminal. And next we need to use this command, this two simple command to install Node.js, and it will install Node.js on my system. It will take few minutes or few seconds, it depends on your internet connection and your PC speed, so wait until the process is done. Okay, Atom is installed, so